Drawing puzzle. Ang mga kiddos. Ayan. Ito kay Bunso. Sige, titignan ko kung sinong unang makabuo.
It's gonna be me. You do this one.
Happy Wayne.
It's like this.
Second si Teya and si Bunso.
Are you gonna do this one?
Hindi pa tapos.
This one?
Almost done.
Did you guys saw our swing video?
Oh yeah.
Oh,
I
you
don't
did
upload.
it since Mama didn't upload it yet. Because she doesn't have room.
Yeah.
Bye.
Okay, almost done. Finish your puzzle. Natapos din niya, guys.
Last piece.
Good job.
Yay. Dinosaur puzzle.
Oh yeah.